Here's a 1-minute introduction into Calculus 1. So let's say you want to evaluate this limit. So you can do this by taking whatever your x is approaching and plugging it in for x. So in this case, we'll plug in -1. But if you evaluate that expression, you'll actually find that it turns out to be 0 over 0, which is undefined. So what we have to do instead is solve this by factoring. So I can factor that 3 out of the top, and I can also factor the denominator of the expression to be x plus 1 times x plus 2. This is because 1 and 2 will add to give you 3, which is this b term, and multiply to give you 2, which is the c term. You can cancel the 1's, or the x plus 1's, and you'll end up with 3 over x plus 2. Plug in -1 to this expression and you get 3, and that's the limit evaluated. Now let's say you want to take the derivative of this function here, and you can do this using this power rule shortcut, where you take the power of the exponent, you multiply it by the front, and then subtract 1 from the power. So 10x cubed here, the derivative of that would be 30x squared. The derivative of 2x squared would be 4x to the first. Now if you take the derivative of something with an x in front of it, that x will just derive off, so you'll just get 4. And then the derivative of a constant is just 0. So this right here is the derivative with respect to x. That is an introduction into Calculus 1.